I started with 250,000 pesos. Binenta ko ang insurance ng anak ko. That's how I started.
What made you so confident na I will put my son's insurance at stake to pursue this business?
Pagdating ko rito, wala pa akong pension. My husband, he has the money for me to start, but I wanted to start it by myself. Na kung mabankrupt man ako, problema ko na yon kasi pera ko yon eh. I said, if my business will boom, para din naman sa anak ko. When I went back to Europe, I sold the insurance. It's not actually the life insurance. It's an insurance that when he turns 18, makukuha niya yung pera para he go to school, he can buy an apartment, a car, so he can go to the university with it. Sabi ko, ang lit-lit lang naman ang makukuha. So ang ginawa ko, binenta ko muna yun. Yun ang ginagamit ko. Maingat ako kasi it's part of the future of my son, ang nilaro ko. So kahit pagod ako, I have to stand up 3 o'clock in the morning. Lipad na ako niyan, papunta ng Mabinay para doon ako mangunguha ng car. To start alone with a very little capital, it's not easy. But confidence, focus, nothing can stop you.
Beautiful said, tita. And yung karamihan sa atin, pagka nakikita nila successful entrepreneur, akala nila madali lang yung road. They didn't know the story behind that and the sacrifices that you need to make para ma-attain yung status na yon.